for between x equals 0 and x equals 1, which has a greater average rate of change. So if we go from 0 to 1, we're going to have basically the x coordinate is 0 and the x coordinate is 1. We're going to figure out what the y coordinate is for each one. So let's plug that into this right here. So if we take 0 and plug it in for x right here, 2 to the 0 power is 1. So if we plug 0 in, we're going to get out 1 for y. So 0, 1 would be an ordered pair for this function right here. So we're talking about y equals 2 to the x power. And then if we take positive 1 and plug that in for x, 2 to the first power is 2. So we're going to get out 2. So for 0 and 1, when we plug it into this function, these are the ordered pairs we get out. What would be the rate of change? Well, subtract the y coordinates. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the rate of change is 1 between these two ordered pairs, or these two x coordinates, with this function. So when would we have an average rate of change greater than that? I want to look at D. If we take the same ordered pairs, plug in 0 for x. This is for D right here. 2 to the 0 power is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. If we take 1 and plug it in for x, 2 to the first power is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we plug in 1, we get out 6. What would be the rate of change there? 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. That's a rate of change of 1. It's exactly the same as this function here. So if you look at D, D has the same rate of change as this right here between 0 and 1. But I want which one is greater. So what do we think our answer is? Well, we're probably thinking maybe it's A. So I'm going to take 0 and 1 and plug it in for x. Take 0 and plug it in for x right here. 4 to the 0 power is 1. Take 1 and plug it in for x right here. 4 to the first power is 4. Well, find the rate of change. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. The average rate of change there would be 3. So A would be your answer, because that is more than 1.